How to recover deleted Telegram chat messages and photos on iPhone or Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Telegram support. Now open up the first website. Now fill up the details. Now write this message. Now enter your email and your number. Now tap on submit. Now wait for some time and Telegram support team will contact you regarding this issue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.